industry's first 18-volt brushless belt saver. So besides being the industry's first, what's cool about it, it has AirGuard technology. What that is, it's an efficiency and dust collection system. We have a 90% dust collection with this right here, AirGuard technology, which is huge. I mean, you look at the competitors, maybe 40, 30%. This is 90% of everything's going to get sucked up with this one. Awesome. Also with this guy here, it's brushless, of course, and then it has belt tracking. So, you know, on your older ones and maybe some current ones, you're sanding and your belt gets all wonky, it kind of comes off. This right here has a tracking system on it that's going to auto-correct itself. So this is never going to come sliding off the side. Super easy to install, like that. That's it. So this guy here, very powerful. This has 900 linear feet on one battery charge. It has a variable speed dial right there. So it kind of depends on what type of material you're working on. This is $139.97 online right now in his stores.